A few weeks passed, and Emma slowly became familiar with her new life in Greentown. Her mornings felt lighter, and her steps felt calmer. The town no longer seemed strange. The streets, the trees, and the small houses had become part of her daily view. Every morning, she opened her window and breathed in the fresh air. The sound of birds replaced the noise of traffic that she used to hear in the city. At first, the silence felt uncomfortable, but now it felt peaceful. She still missed her family. Some nights she lay in bed and stared at the ceiling, thinking about home. Memories came quietly. Family dinners, warm laughter, familiar voices. Those memories made her chest feel heavy, but they also reminded her that she was loved. Instead of running from those feelings, Emma learned to accept them. At school, she began to feel more confident. Her hands no longer trembled when she held her books. Her voice no longer shook when she spoke. She moved naturally, as if she had always belonged there. Her students were no longer strangers. Their faces became familiar, and their energy filled her days with meaning. She noticed how their eyes lit up when they understood something new. Those small moments became the best part of her day. Teaching was no longer just a responsibility. It became a connection. One evening, she accepted an invitation to spend time with people from the town. At first, she felt nervous, unsure of how she would fit in. But as the night went on, she realized that kindness was everywhere. The warmth she felt that evening stayed with her long after she walked home. That night, she did not feel alone. Another day, she noticed one of her students sitting quietly, sadness visible in her eyes. Emma stayed with her for a moment, offering comfort through presence rather than words. In that moment, she realized something important. She was no longer just teaching English. She was becoming someone others could trust. That realization changed her. She began to understand that strength did not always come from loud confidence. Sometimes it came from quiet care. At night, she often sat near her window, holding a warm cup of tea. The town lights glowed softly in the distance. She thought about how much she had changed since the day she arrived. She was still afraid sometimes. She still doubted herself. But she no longer let those feelings stop her. Greentown was slowly shaping her into someone stronger, not by force, but by patience. She started walking more, exploring more, and thinking less about what could go wrong. She learned to enjoy the moment, even when it was simple. Especially when it was simple. And one evening, while watching the sky turn orange and pink, she realized something that made her smile. She was no longer surviving. She was living.